Well, when it comes to the level of finish that you're supposed to be renovating to, I always recommend to people you need to go out there on spend your weekends, just spend a weekend this weekend. Look at all the open houses that are in your area. Go to the ones for the properties that you're looking for, so the ones that are in the three, four, $500,000 range, the ones that you're going to renovate. And then I want you to also go to the ones that are fully finished, so that you know what an $800,000 house looks like. If you're buying a house for 600 grand, you're putting 100,000 into it. If you're borrowing money for that, you need to be able to sell that place for 900,000 plus. So if your level of finish is only what the $800,000 house is, you're not going to get that 900,000. And you're either going to lose money on the deal or it's going to sit forever. You're never going to be able to sell it. Your carrying costs are going to escalate, and then it's just a world of trouble. So make sure you are looking at what houses are selling for as is, and then what they're looking like after they're repaired.